Gold is at unbelievable prices. Silver is hitting highs like never before, breaking gold's rally and pacing ahead. Now the question in everyone's mind is, what's the next big thing? Well, experts say it is the red gold. I'm talking about copper. Copper prices are hitting record highs in just weeks into 2026, surging past $6 per pound on COMEX and $13,000 per metric ton on London Metal Exchange, positioning it as red gold, the next big investment play after traditional safe havens like gold and silver, as per experts. The rally stems from exploding demand in AI, green energy, and national security, clashing with tight supply, making copper indispensable for the future economy. But why are prices surging so much? Copper's price boom reflects a perfect storm. Demand up 30% by 2030 from key sectors, while supply lags due to fewer discoveries, 16 to 17-year mine development timelines, declining ore grades in Chile and Peru, and mine disruptions pushing markets into a deficit. JP Morgan Global Research projects a global refined copper deficit of 330,000 tons this year, creating an even tighter market. Governments like India and the US are now classifying it as a critical mineral for defense and tech resilience, amplifying its strategic value amid US-China tensions. Analysts say that this is early innings for sustained highs. Unlike gold's digital rivals and silver's aluminium substitutes, copper has none, and the demand is surging like never before. Three pillars fuel this surge: AI data centers needing massive copper for wiring, power, and cooling, potentially hundreds of thousands of tons yearly by 2030, driving US grid upgrades, and green energy transition demands it too. EVs use 4x more than gas cars, solar or wind far more per electricity unit than coal, with grids requiring millions of tons. National security rounds it out too, from semiconductors to military hardwares, as nations diversify from China-dominated refining. It is not a new metal suddenly coming to everyone's mind though. The historic significance is also key to note. From ancient Bronze Age tools 9,000 years ago to today's circuit boards, copper's conductivity, durability, and malleability shines in AI, robotics, data centers, renewable grids, EVs, and defense infrastructure. No viable alternative exists at scale, cementing its role in electrification and digitization. And global demand also grew strong in 2024 and accelerates now, outpacing stagnant supply. In April last year, Vedanta chairman Anil Agarwal took to X to highlight copper's rising strategic status, calling it the next gold in era of clean energy and advanced technology. So how can retail investors jump in to take advantage of this opportunity? First, you can invest in copper-linked stocks or diversified miners. Second, commodity mutual funds that also include copper as a part of a diversified basket. Third, MCX copper futures, but this is for experienced traders who know exactly how futures contracts work. Fourth, ETFs. While India does not have a copper ETF in particular, you can invest in metal ETFs which track the top metal stocks. There is also an option to invest in international ETFs or US listed copper ETFs through international investing platforms that operate under RBI's liberalized remittance scheme. It will require you to open up an international trading account or buy it via an international trading platform. But before making any money related decisions, as we always say, don't forget to seek advice from your financial advisor. And for more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.